Hello and thanks for watching. In this video, you will learn about the versatile Ooma Office extensions and how they help our customers easily manage their incoming call flows and maximize their voice communication efficiency. Logging into the Ooma Office Manager and visiting the Settings screen will show the Extensions tab by default, which is an overview of all of the available components of the account. Ooma Office extensions can be one of 6 types, each with specific features and all available at the tap or click of a button. Virtual Receptionist, User, Ring Group, Paging Group, Conference Server, and Physical Fax Machine. Every Ooma Office user has access to 40+ features and control of up to 6 different device types. To add a new user to the account, for instance, when a new employee requires a desk phone, it takes just a click or a tap of the orange Add button, and then a first name, last name, and email address. You can quickly move users from location to location if the account is supporting multiple business locations. It is important to keep the physical location of the desk phone accurate for emergency responders. Keep in mind, adding users adds a new month-to-month license to the account at the existing rate. After entering the basic information, a preferred primary device must be chosen. Typically, this will be an IP desk phone, but you must have the MAC address of the device in order to add it during this step. If you don't have it, you can choose the Ooma desktop app to move forward and add the IP phone later. Choose which features you would like the user to have access to, and then the final step involves choosing an extension number and a direct phone number for the new user. By default, the next available extension number is assigned, but you can change it to any 3 or 4-digit number to match an existing format. The phone number is automatically chosen from a pool of available numbers with the same area code. If you want to select a different number, click on the number to be taken to a number selection screen, which will give you more options to find a desired new direct number. When you click Save, the user is created and a welcome email is sent to the email address that was entered in order to help the new user get logged in to personalize their account. The new user can make and receive phone calls immediately using either the desktop app or mobile app, as well as any of the other devices that might have been added. While the virtual fax option is listed with types of extensions, when you select it, you can decide between the chosen or other available numbers, but then that virtual fax must be assigned to a user who doesn't already have one. The Ring Group extension is a powerful call flow tool. Add a new one by naming it and choosing whether or not the name of the ring group appears before or prepends the incoming caller ID. You can use this feature to categorize incoming calls along with the menu option of the VR. Press 3 for sales, and the call transfers to the sales ring group with the word sales in the caller ID. The ringing mode is either simultaneous or sequential based upon the order of the members which are chosen next. One of the powerful aspects of the ring group is on this screen where you choose the members of the ring group. In addition to selecting the users, which would mean an incoming call would ring on all enabled devices, you have the ability to choose which of the user's devices will be part of the ring group. The Advanced tab gives you control over how long this ring group should ring and what happens after that time period, including transferring to voicemail or another extension. Use the ability to transfer to another ring group in tandem with the ability to choose devices to ring, and you could create one ring group with desk phones that would ring first before switching to ringing a group with mobile apps, helping to ensure more calls are answered. The Virtual Receptionist is another versatile call flow tool, and by default every Ooma Office account comes with a VR already in place at extension number 1000. Adding another one as an accessible extension is a quick and easy way to further enhance the incoming call experience. For example, offering a Spanish language version of the main VR as an option for businesses wishing to cater to a Hispanic demographic. For accounts to utilize the included Conference Bridge feature, a conference line extension must be set up by choosing an extension number and a dial-in number with the same options to choose from any of the available numbers in the right area code. Next, set up the first conference room by giving it a name and a number that callers will punch into the keypad to access that room. Add a PIN for an extra level of privacy. The Conference Bridge can then be assigned to a user, and the next time a new room is needed, the Add button will take you to a screen to edit or add to the existing bridges. This means that all of the conference bridges in this account will use the same incoming number, and callers will choose the right room by entering the bridge ID and PIN if needed. A paging group is similar to a ring group in that it needs to be named and you add members from the available devices. Paging is a one-way conversation from the initiating device to all of the compatible devices in the group, which for the most part are going to be Yealink IP phones. Since the paging group is an extension, this allows you to broadcast an announcement to a pre-selected group by dialing the extension number or pushing a programmed button. Once all the extensions have been added, they can be easily searched and filtered by type to make ongoing user and call flow management a breeze. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful.